Yeah. Fucking hell, mate. Come down. I saw it. I was just sitting in my car, really. I tried to get in there, but I couldn't see anyone. Even the pilot was out of his seat. Just stay back, please. Yeah, sure. Bear in mind, mate, bear in mind. Someone's in that helicopter, please. I'm not. That's where your body's going.
I just felt I had to come down with respect to the owner and obviously the people that looks like they've lost their lives. I don't know, but I'm guessing. Just a sad day. I just thought I'd go and get some flowers and bring it down and show him my respects, basically. That's it, really.
Were you here last night?
I didn't come last night. I watched it on TV. I'm usually here, but because it was on BT Sports, I watched it on telly last night.
And people are saying that this would have been a very normal sight to see the helicopter leave and
oh yeah,
head
it's
away.
just perfectly normal. Yeah, you see it come in after every game, comes in, takes off, and takes the owner back to London. Happens, every week that they play at home.
There'll be a lot of people waking up this morning really emotional.
I would have thought so. Yeah. I'm sure they are. Yeah, I'm quite emotional. I'm not normally that.